bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying out almost a full face of Milk makeup products. I have bought quite a few base products recently and I wanted to try them out. I've heard so many great things about the brand. I've already tried their skincare, which I am in love with, and I've already tried their Milk the Hydro Grip Primer, which I'm in love with as well. So yeah, definitely had to get some more things to try out. So before we get into this video, please make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up if you haven't already. Also, please turn on post notifications, that way you guys can get notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my other socials. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. And yeah, if you guys want to see what products I am trying out and if I like them or not, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright you guys, so first things first, I'm going to re-moisturize my lips here. I have the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Balm. I just got this today. So I tried it out earlier. And I love the way it hydrates my lip, and also that minty feeling that it gives. It doesn't like plump or anything, but it does give like some minty feel to it, which I actually really do like. So next thing I'm going to be doing, I am going to really quickly just spray my Gerard Cosmetics Mystified Spray. I always spray my face with that first before applying my base, just to rehydrate my face, you know, from all the moisturizer and everything that I had earlier. So just want to re-moisturize. So now I'm going to go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I actually really enjoy this. I had to get the full size because I got the smaller version and I already ran out. And this primer, like, oh my gosh, definitely makes your foundation last all day. And also what I like is that the product kind of just glides on. It has that nice tacky feeling, but the product glides on and it's very easy to blend out. It's not like you apply the product on one part of your face and then it, you know, just sticks and doesn't move around. This product definitely helps, you know, move everything around. Take the Milk Makeup. This is the Flex Foundation Stick. I grabbed the shade Light Medium and this is what it looks like here. I think this would be a good match, only because my Fenty and my Anastasia is in the light medium category, so I think this will be good. I think this will be a good match. And what I like is that you put it like you twist the bottom part so that the product can go up. Unlike most, you're twisting the little barrel part of the foundation. Oops. Okay. So I see a lot of people do this with the product. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just like that. And what I'm also going to do is I'm actually going to do sponge on one side and then brush on the other. Do I have a foundation brush here? I don't. I need to get a foundation brush. But that's what I'm going to do because I want to see if it's best to use a sponge with the foundation or to use a brush. So I'm just going to take my Fenty sponge here and I'm just going to start blending the product into the skin. That blended so easy. So the product is really creamy, but it's not like too creamy where it feels like it'll just slide off your face. It's just creamy enough to blend really nicely onto the skin, which, y'all, look at that. Look at this and look at this side. As you can see, definitely covered, and this is like a perfect match. Oh, I'm I'm excited. Okay. Okay, so that is my left side of the face. Let me apply some right here. Okay, this looks really, really nice. Let me just grab my mirror really quick so I can get a close-up. Okay, so I really like the way it blended out, and it's definitely like a skin-like finish, and the coverage is really nice. You can see a little bit of the redness, like if you get really, really close, but not like crazy at all. And I know I do have some dry patches like in this area of my cheek where most of my acne is, and it definitely does not cling at all to the dry patches. Okay, so I have my brush here. I have my Real Techniques Insta Cheek Pop, I think that's what it's called. Insta Pop Cheek Brush. I actually like the cheek one better for foundation just because it's smaller. And it's easier to like control for me. Like the bigger one kind of spreads out way too much. Alright, so go ahead and start blending this. Okay, so it still blends really, really easily, which I love. And I can definitely say you get a lot more coverage on this side compared to this side. With the sponge, I would say it'll give you more of that natural kind of no makeup look. And with the brush, I feel like it'll just give you more of a fuller coverage. So and it spread it really, really nicely because I didn't even put any in the middle of my forehead. So I just took whatever I had on this side and it spreads really nicely. So a little definitely goes a long way. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but here you see a lot more of my redness. Looks a lot more skin-like, whereas this side is like straight full coverage. Again, still does not cling on to the dry patches at all on my face, so I really, really like that. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more on this side, just mainly in like this area, and I'm gonna blend it out with my brush. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with concealer. I got the Flex concealer in the shade light medium as well. I didn't get a contour shade. I thought about it and then I didn't. So I'm just gonna cream contour with my Anastasia foundation stick. So I'm just gonna apply this first into the areas that I want. And I like it's a tube, but it has the wand in the inside, which is pretty cool. I like that design. I'm just gonna take my foundation stick in the shade Almond and just apply a little bit. I don't wanna do too much. Alright, and then for concealer, I always use my sponge. I don't ever like, okay, so this definitely dries down fast. Let me just mist my sponge again. Okay, so the concealer does dry down a little faster than what I would like it to. So I say definitely work in stages. Apply the cream contour first, or if you don't cream contour, like do one side of the face first and then do the other side. Yeah. Okay. This is going left really fast because it's not blending how I would like it to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit more, go over what I just did on this side, blend that out, and then do the other side because okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but in this area here, it's really just like clinging on. And this is the area where I have my dry skin, so kind of don't like that. Okay, so I don't hate it, but I think on this side you can really see it just clings onto the dry patches that I have. It doesn't blend away, it really just kind of like clings right onto it. I'm just gonna tap a little bit of the foundation in the areas where it just kind of stuck on and see if we can just help, you know, blend it out a bit. Foundation I love. Concealer on the other hand, not really a fan of. At least not right now. I don't know if this is like a mattifying concealer, but yeah, with my dry skin right now, my skin is not loving it, so I just sprayed my face right now. I'm just gonna kind of go over those areas a little bit where there's the dryness. Really just kind of like press that in. Yeah, right here you can see, and right here you can see, like it's noticeable to me. Okay. Alright, so next I'm going to take this lip and cheek cream in the shade Werk. Oops. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to roll this and apply it there on the back of my hand, and then with my sponge I'll go ahead and pick it up and apply it on the cheeks. Oh, this is cute. I like this. This is really cute. It's like very natural. It's like, it gives you just like a little flush to the cheeks. This is super cute. Okay. Okay, I like everything so far but this. That just made me upset. Hopefully throughout my full coverage liquid concealer, crack increasing, it's supposed to hydrate and calm skin. Yeah, not with my skin. That's not working. Okay guys, so this is what the skin is looking like right now. I just applied some highlighter and a little bit more of the blush. I love that the blush is very buildable, but it doesn't get like too overpowering. Like this is really, really nice. And I feel like now that I have sprayed my face with setting spray, I use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. The areas where there was a lot of the dryness, like you can tell from the dry patches, it definitely calmed down, and my under eyes don't look as bad as they were before. So right now, foundation is definitely a hit. Primer, also love. Lip balm, really love how moisturized my lip is. The lip and face cheek, really, really love this. Only thing that I will have to keep trying is this guy. Because on the packaging here, it says that it's a full coverage liquid concealer, flexes with skin movement without cracking or creasing, infused with blue lotus, chamomile, and marshmallow to hydrate and help calm skin. I feel like this immediately just clung onto my dry patches. It didn't like, you know, it didn't feel hydrating, and it dried down really, really fast. Like I had no work time at all to blend it. So definitely will have to keep playing with this guy here. Maybe next time I'll try with a brush instead. I don't really like using brushes to blend out my concealer. I prefer sponges. But if to get my money's worth, if I gotta use a brush, I will use a brush. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and film another one of an eye look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. I highly recommend their skincare. For a fact, Milk Makeup, their vegan milk moisturizer and their vegan milk cleanser is A1. It's at A1. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Let's chat down below. Let me know what other products you would like me to try. If you have tried this concealer, let me know how you used it, a brush or a sponge, and how it worked out for you. And also be sure that you are subscribed to my channel and follow me on all other socials, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.